Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you draw a Tesla Model Y. Let's start with the basic outline. First, draw a long, slightly curved rectangle to form the main body of the car. Think of it as the foundation. Next, add a gentle, continuous slope for the windshield and roof, connecting smoothly to the rear. This defines the car's sleek profile. Finally, sketch two large circles for the wheel wells, placing them roughly 1/4 of the way in from each end. This sets up the car's stance. Now, let's bring in some key features that make the Model Y recognizable. Start by drawing the slim, horizontal headlights at the front and matching taillights at the rear, following the gentle curve of the body. Next, outline the side windows, making sure they align with the elegant slope of the roofline. For the wheels, sketch them inside the wheel wells, adding a simple, circular hubcap design in the center. These details quickly give your drawing character. It's time to refine the body with some important details. Carefully add the subtle door lines, making them appear as seamless as possible. Don't forget the small, sleek side mirrors, positioned on the front doors. Next, place the iconic Tesla logo, a stylized T, on both the front hood and the rear trunk. Finally, gently curve the body panels to suggest the car's aerodynamic and modern shape, giving it a more three-dimensional feel. For our final steps, let's add some finishing touches. Begin by darkening your main outlines to make the Tesla Model Y stand out boldly on the page. Next, introduce some light shading, especially under the car and along its curves, to create a sense of depth and volume. This helps the car look more realistic. Finally, carefully erase any stray or unnecessary sketch lines to achieve a clean and polished drawing. Practice makes perfect, so keep trying.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.